we're feeling a little bit rebellious again. Welcome to Hrvatska, EU. Mostar, welcome to Mostar. Thank you so much. People are warning us because there's a heavy rain. All right, here comes the rain. Let's try to get out of here ASAP. Okay, let's go. In a couple of minutes, the sky is gonna open up. And we need to get as far away as we can by that time. Hope we didn't forget anything in this in the rush now.
No, I looked behind, there was nothing.
Good. Would be fun to go up there to the viewpoint there. Okay. Yeah. The rain is coming. We saw on the way back there, everyone, all the restaurants and everything are just rushing to take all the pillows in and everything from the tables. Because this rainfall is going to be heavy. Yeah, the way we're going, it looks clearer because the rain is coming from the north. And we're going south towards Croatia. Oh, look at that. Wow. Such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. Never heard of it before. I would absolutely recommend coming here if you're ever in the southern parts of Croatia or Bosnia. It's just like a couple hours away, and it's absolutely worth the trip. Police. Okay, that's weird. Okay. People are saying like normally at this time of year it never rains, but like everything lately, oh, that was lightning. Like everything lately, oh, there's the thunder. Like everything lately, the weather patterns are just going crazy. Everything is turned upside down. Oh yeah, here it starts. Here starts the rain. Come on, come on. Let's get out of the city so we can get some distance. I think we just got to get up over the mountaintop, the hilltop, and then we're in the clear, hopefully. I don't know what makes me more wet now, the rain or the humidity and the sweat. It's interesting how quickly the weather can change from blue skies and sun and 30 degrees to 15 degrees and rainstorm. Just in a matter of 15 minutes. Oh yeah, now it's just opened up. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, well, hopefully it doesn't rain in Croatia, so we can dry up when we get there. Already I'm soaking wet all the way through. So much for waterproofing and a swimsuit, huh? Well, Mostar is a really, really interesting city, and I would absolutely recommend coming here. But try to do it when it's not raining. Oh, that was lightning. That's the thunder. Okay, moving away, it sounds like then. Over there, it's still sunny. You can see where it's raining and where it's not. Oh shit! Now it's hail. That's like painful. Yeah, and there it is. My balls are soaked. I can feel it dripping down my down my crotch. Yeah. This is not good. This is crazy. Oh wow. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is insane. What the fuck is going on? Like, what the hell? What the actual fuck? Ah! And here comes the wind too. Ah! Ah, can't see shit. Oh. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. This is almost comical. Like, seriously, this is just. It's thunder and lightning. Ah! I can't see shit. Oh, it stops. Huh. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. You see the rain cloud there, but not there. So cool. You escaped. Well, that was an experience.
I'm completely fine.
Yeah, me too. Oh. Here in the corner it's raining again. And then we get out of the corner. Here. And it stops. So strange. Oh, look at that. You can see the rainstorm. Here the asphalt is completely dry. We were 5 minutes too late. We should,
Escape successful.
yeah, if we were 5 minutes quicker eating, we would have escaped it. I'm soaking wet. Well, that was also an experience. Wow. You can see the rain behind us here. And look at this flooded marsh or field. I don't think it's supposed to be like this normally. Well, now I hope the sun comes back so we can dry up a little bit. Now we're reaching our next destination on our way back to Croatia. This is a waterfall that's supposed to be really, really beautiful. Kind of similar to Plitvice in Croatia. I'm very curious. Ideally, what we were thinking was to go here first this morning because we were kind of right next to it, but then we wanted a coffee and we needed to charge batteries because we didn't have any batteries left. So we went to Mostar first, and on the way back to Croatia now we're passing through where we camped, almost. And the waterfalls are supposed to be here somewhere. Yeah, that is stupid.
So annoying.
Should we go?
Huh?
Should we go or should we skip it?
Let's see if we can take a peek.
Okay, it costs €10 per person just to walk down and take a picture. That's way too much.
Yeah, it's like
It's
free
not
day.
even worth it. Looks really beautiful though.
The mountains are beautiful.
It is really beautiful, but I hate the concept of paying to
Just
see nature.
because of the idea, I don't want to go.
Yeah.
If it's below €5, like, okay. But above, like, no.
€10 just to go take a picture of
No.
of a waterfall? That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's just ridiculous.
Who decided this?
I get it, they want to make money however they can, but come on, it's nature.
Yeah. It could be cheaper.
Add other things to it that you can make money off of, but not just see it.
Yeah.
That's okay. So I guess we can't see it.
No.
It's go somewhere else. We're feeling a little bit rebellious again. We both hate the concept of paying to see nature. So, like in Plitvice, where I snuck through the forest, we're trying the same thing here. Forest is a little bit thicker here than in Croatia. I get that people need to make money and stuff like that, but don't restrict access to nature. Find different ways of making money, like selling goods, camping, like other things, but don't restrict people from viewing and enjoying nature. I hate that concept so much, restricting access to nature for the sake of capitalism. So this is our little protest. We're determined to see this waterfall just out of spite now because they want to charge us money for it.
Thanks. So cool.
That's pretty beautiful. We made it down.
Amazing.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
I'm glad we made it.
Yeah. Wow. This is so cool.
Yeah.
It's like in Morocco, for example. They also had this amazing waterfall, but it was free to go down, and then they found other ways to make money there, like restaurants selling souvenirs, so like that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But you could go and enjoy nature. And for this, in this place, if you're from Bosnia, it's free. So
Because they go through the woods, or
no, because if you're a citizen, it's free. It's only tourists that have to pay,
okay.
and that I think is a ridiculous concept too.
Yeah.
It's
There.
that's like saying like going up to the Troll's Tongue or the Pulpit Rock in Norway. Only Norwegians are allowed to go there. If you're a tourist, you have to pay to go. That's stupid. It makes no sense.
Someone is triggered.
Yeah, I get triggered by these things.
Yeah.
This is the restaurant on the water. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like there's a bit more water than usual.
Yeah.
See, all of this is concrete.
Yeah. That's like the terrace.
Yeah. I just walk up the rain shower or the mist steam shower. I don't know what you call it, mist shower. This is so cool. You can see that the water is overflowing. Even the hill next to the waterfall is flooded.
I'm happy we made it. It's so beautiful. In Norway we have a lot of waterfalls too, but this is even better.
I don't think this is supposed to. I don't think this is where the river is supposed to flow. This is really cool.
Wow. Kind of want to jump now.
Yeah, I'm not sure I want to go down here though.
No, no, no.
I guess it's time to get back on the bike and head back to Croatia and find camp.
Yeah, we have to find camp. It's getting late.
Yeah, we have a 2-hour ride ahead of us. So,
Yeah.
alright, let's get back.
Yeah.
That was interesting. Really, really beautiful place. Well, even that was even more fun since we snuck in. It's just a matter of principle. Paying €10 to take a picture. That's just ridiculous. So I don't feel bad at all for sneaking in like that. Oh yeah, oh shit, border again. Huh. Do we just go or do we go or passport?
now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, goodbye, Bosnia. Welcome to Hrvatska, EU. Yeah, and now we're getting to the other border. Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
You speak English?
Yes.
You have something to declare?
No.
Oh no.
Cigarettes, alcohol, tobacco.
No. We just came in yesterday and leave today, and I've just been absolutely nothing. We can't fit anything on the bike. That was a lot more trouble than last time.
They're not in the EU.
No,
That's why.
maybe. There's a gravel road here. So let's see if we can find a place we can pitch a tent in secret. This is in the middle of someone's farm, so I don't want to. I really don't want to camp on someone's farmland if I can avoid it. Wow! Very loose. Oh, look at that! It's a pheasant! That's a beautiful bird! Hi, pheasant! We're not gonna hurt you. Don't be scared.
Oh, I'm scared. No. Oh.
That's a beautiful bird.
Yeah.
Ah, loose here. Oh.
Oh wow.
This is amazing.
Whoa.
I'm not sure we're allowed to camp here though.
Yeah. No.
We have to take a picture.
You can camp up there, no?
Nah, this was on someone's property.
Yeah.
This would be perfect. Maybe up there. Yeah, this one, this works. It's in the middle of a trash heap, but yeah, nobody's gonna bother us here, and we're not in anyone's way. So I think
And we have a great view, it's flat.
Yeah.
No,
I
that's
think we're happy
perfect.
with this.
Yeah, really happy with this actually.
I must say, I've camped worse places than this.
Yeah, this is an amazing view. Oh, I can't hear. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Is
Yeah.
that some beehives? No, they're not used anymore.
I think this is just the trash.
Yeah, nobody's gonna come here.
So where do we put the tent?
The flattest part.
This is the flattest area.
It's rocky.
It's a bit rocky, but I think it's okay. There's no sharp rocks.
No.
No.
It's actually a really good camp spot. Look at this.
Right. Camp is finally set up. That was a quick setup.
Just on time.
Yeah, I think in 15 minutes now it's gonna be pretty dark. So that was in the nick of time we found camp.
With the best view ever. Look at
Ever,
this.
I'm not sure, but
Yeah, on this trip.
but behind us is a trash heap. But the other way, the ocean and the sunset.
With some islands.
This it could be worse. Could be worse.
Yeah.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode today. It's been a little bit of a confusing day for us.
A long day on the road.
Long day.
Really fun.
Yeah, finding the coffee shop was a real surprise, and then walking around was
Mostar.
Mostar. I always forget names. Yeah,
Mostar
that was really fascinating.
That was the
That was
best surprise of the day.
Yeah.
And then the ride back, that was stunning.
Yeah, and the sunset there over the valley after we
Yeah.
crossed the border. Oh,
Wow.
that was amazing. Well, if you guys did enjoy this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up and click subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see what we end up doing next.
Yeah, now we're back on Croatia.
Yeah, now we're back in
Croatia?
Croatia. So first night of camping in Croatia.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. What are we doing tomorrow?
We have a few ideas.
I have a few ideas.
Of
There's
cool
a
places
beach
to
here
go.
we were recommended to go to,
Yeah.
and a lake. Yeah,
And
we'll see.
mountain tops.
We have one more night of camping now.
Yeah.
Before we go to Dubrovnik. So I guess we gotta move in the direction of Split
Yeah.
again to pick up our stuff, and then head for Dubrovnik. That's gonna be interesting.
Cool. Yeah. Seems like a great city.
Yeah. All right. Oh, almost forgot. It's beer time. Beer
Of
o'clock.
course.
Beer o'clock.
Tack.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for driving.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's with elderflower.
No, that's a radler. A
Yeah.
radler.
Radler with elderflower.
Radler. Radler.
Radler.
Radler.
That's what I had in Germany. A radler.
Yeah. Well, I prefer a beer.
Yeah, that's just to not get drunk too fast.
All right.
Look at this sunset.
That is gorgeous.
Not bad for a trash heap.
No, definitely not. All right. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace.
Cheers. Now it's getting really dark.
Yep.